Hey everyone! It is Friday today and it is the last day of school and now it is spring break. I am so super excited. I got a presentation done today. I'm going to start daily vlogging once again all throughout spring break and I think it's going to be real fun. This part of the vlog will definitely be combined with tomorrow's vlog. It is a really great weather. It's really great weather right now. It's just like sunny out, but it's supposed to be raining the entire time, but we'll see what happens. Let's pray that it's sunny and nice so we can do things and fun things like that. Right now I need to film close-ups for different things. Oh yeah, let's do that now. Good morning everybody. I just got ready, I ate my breakfast, and I just changed into some comfy clothes. The gist of today, my family and I are going to eat or get some lunch with a family friend. And then after that, I'm gonna hang out with Julie. It is pouring outside. I really want to wear this yellow jacket. Right now, my mom and my brother are picking the family friend up, and so during that time I'm just going to organize all my folders. I'm gonna do that right now, organizing, watch some vlogs along with it. Something is a rank in Julie's Slurpee.
I don't even know what it is. It tastes like soap. Chiquita!
Do you have any words for this vlog?
I have some words actually.
Okay.
If you're like 8,000 kilometers away, I don't understand why you're still so rude. So see ya later. Goodbye.
Throwing shade. Thanks. Okay, bye Julie.
Bye!
Hey everyone, I am now home. I finished cleaning up my folders and binders and such.